Welcome! In front of me I have X-WATCH Joli XW Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the XW Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the data page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page, scroll down, find the unbind button, tap on it, and then tap on confirm to unpair the watch from your phone. At this point, the device page should be empty. Now we can close the app. Also, we can check the Bluetooth settings on our phone just in case, and check if we have the Joli XW Pro watch right here on the list. As you can see, it's not here, but if it was, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget and forget to confirm and remove the device from your phone. And at that point, the watch is completely unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.